let me unmute. There we go. Hello. Let me know if audio and all of that is okay. I can turn down the music, turn up the music, whatever. I'm listening to other music, on another channel, so. Yeah. Oh, no, I don't want that top chat. I want that live chat. There we go. Okay. Yeah. We're just doing game dev. I was super sick, this, morning, so apologies for the delay. I'm still kinda sick, but, hopefully things will be fun. Hello, everyone. Let's see. I've not touched this in a minute. So... yeah, I'm... Sorry. A little tired as well. Lots of nightmares. Yeah, I'm alive. I'm waking up. But yeah, last time we had a bunny. It had platforming. You can hit walls to go bouncing. And then there's a dash mechanic. And then we have full animations for all of them that I need to implement still. And then we even have BGM and stuff. Yeah. So, let's see. What happened to the slimes? Did they all die? What happened to the slimes? Huh. There were slimes here. We'll figure that out. Is DVR... Hold on. Hold on. Let me do some stuff. Yeah, all the slimes are gone for some reason. Yeah, shut up. I don't care about MV3 policies. Let me get back in. It's just super high latency right now. That's weird. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on. I'll try and fix it. I mean, I could always click go live again, but I don't want to. Why does it not? Well, I understand why it doesn't let you change the let's see, YouTube Studio. Live edit. Let's see. How do I change the settings? Restrictions, none. I don't know how to manage YouTube. Alright, manage this one. Yes. Edit. Why does it not let me... Huh, I don't know. Oh, there's the button. Stream. Oh, here we go. Change dashboard. Oh yeah, it's at normal latency. It's supposed to be at ultra low. I'm sorry. I can't fix that while live, unfortunately. Yeah. I'm sorry. I need to, in the future, remember to, fix that. For, you know, whatever reason. Yeah, it's not supposed to be at normal latency. Yep, I'm starting. So, customization, blah, blah, blah. Stream location, recording, date. Okay, well, yeah, we'll fix it later. Sorry for the kind of the weird start here. Hello everyone. We're doing game dev. We are working on a little game I'm working with Holly Mama and a friend. We're basically like a little, rabbit, not quite rage game, but that kind of the idea where you're scaling a giant tower. Let me play something else on Spotify. Also, apologies for the audio. I have, dehumidifiers going and other stuff. So audio's probably a little bit scuffed. Yeah. I'm waking up. Maybe I should grab something sweet really, really quick. I'm gonna go grab some gummy bears. I will be right back. Give me like a minute. Take them out of the fridge because I... Oh. Yeah, it's about Gay Bunny Climb Tower. I'm back. Hello. I got gummies. I got some tea. This poor fucking teapot. She has gone through so much. I love her though. But she is so stained even on the outside. Oh, I grabbed the sour gummies. Anyway. No. Alright. So today we are basically completely refactoring our character code. She's served me well for several months. Here's just what we have. It was just like a tiny little proof of concept that we were working on. And then there's like a little dashing mechanic, and there are also enemies which we aren't spawning for right now. I think I disabled them for some reason. My screen is flickering. Graphics card, please don't fail me now. Alright. Oh yeah, there's the little plop to the ground. And then like little dust particles and all of that. Oh yeah, there's the slime. And these are all debug blocks. And they knock you back and stuff. Yeah. We're not really making this for any commercial reason. We're just making it with friends because we wanted to have a fun game. Oh, that tea's probably oversteeped. Also, there's still a plenty large 2D indie scene. I just like 2D games. Just always have. Alright, there's my tea. Little oversteeped, but mostly fine. Oh yeah, that's a little bad. That's fine. So I am I'm just gonna change that to advanced output and monitor. I'm gonna listen to the same stuff that yeah. Yes, Jump King and Celeste. Okay, let's see. Floating triggers at end. This is a bunch of garbage that we wrote. That's fine. Hello, Miss Homu. Homu, I'm gonna mod you. You're modded. Sorry. Anyway. Yep, fate worse than death. So let's see. Alright, I want to pull up a Godot state machine example. GD Quest is pretty standard. Their stuff's fine. Is gliding, extend, we add the enum, var, func set state, let's see, yeah, I hope that we do get motes at some point. Yeah, I just started with this channel. I used to stream on Twitch. Just starting on YouTube. I've always preferred YouTube, so Yeah, stuff is delayed, because I messed up the latency settings. Alright, enum state. This is fine. So we have... okay. We're going to basically have to redo everything. Which is very fun. I'm gonna make it all big for me. Make debugging. Okay, is action input pressed. Alright, there's the physics process. There's the input process of the floor. There's the jump buffer. Yeah, probably everything, honestly. Alright. So first things first. Let's do enum state. Idle. Walk. Jump. Double jump. Trans. Fall. Hit. Air. Hit. Ground. Ladder. Dash. And then hammer. Oh, and then so the game dev is just a hobby. I was just your standard like web programmer. Just web dev. SDK dev specifically. Setting up all the SDKs and APIs and stuff. And like some rigging and I guess streaming now as well. Eventually, hopefully, I would like the streaming to be able to help with the bills again. But eventually. YouTube is just... where's the nurse thing come in? The nurse thing was only for GTA. Yeah, well, sick is not great, but I think it'll be fine. I'm not... at the very least... some of this is my ex-husband's code, too. Most of it's mine. Actually, no, I rewrote all of his shit. Because I didn't like how he did it. Yeah, YouTube monetization one day. It'll happen. Eventually. I meant to actually release a video tomorrow, but I didn't get around to it. I might try and do that this evening, just try and get it out. The goal is going to be maybe a video a week. First thing's gonna be the Smash or Pass Hear Me Out thing I did with Rice Nut, Huni, and Nani. And then, I'd probably do the Smash or Pass Pokemon run. And then, like, an episode of the RuneScape. And then just alternate those two. Maybe once a week, maybe eventually twice a week. It'll just depend on how I'm doing with monitoring and balance, with editing and balancing that with everything else. Because I don't have an editor. Alright, hammer. Plop. And so I learned on C++ 98. So like C++, some C, GLSL, Python and Java, some JavaScript and TypeScript, a bit of C#. Those are mostly what I've like done, but I've also had to do like some Ruby, some PHP, some Go. You know, just kind of touch everything, depending on, because I was maintaining a lot of libraries, so I had to mess with everything. Most comfortable, I don't really know if at this point I have a most comfortable. Python's pretty, it's fine. That's why this monitor, I really hope it's not, I can't afford to replace this monitor or this graphics card. Please do not fail. At work I used like 12. Oh, I had a lot of languages I was maintaining. Right now I'm laid off, so. I wouldn't call myself like a expert programmer or anything, but just all the jobs I've done, I've had to jump between a lot of different languages and frameworks and stuff, so I'm pretty flexible, is what I would describe myself as. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's start with, yeah, hello, Holly. Sorry, I'm eating gummy bears. Oh, Holly. Maple should be ready soon for draft, if you want to play them. Okay. Getting into... Hi, Nero. Shouldn't you be sleeping? How much of my daily diet is gummy? Way too much nowadays. Far too many gummies for... this code is disgusting. Sorry, I'm looking through this and I hate this. Alright, let's see. Let's start with... Yeah, I remember time I saw your tweet. Okay, let's see. I could write it from scratch. Just comment out literally everything except for the enum. How do you comment all in? No. Let me look it up. Comment all Godot. Control K. There we go. Alright, we're just starting from scratch. We will start off with a func physics process. How is Grib doing? Bad. She's not doing great. She's been very anxious and it has been bad. Pass. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, we're in the air doing nothing. That is what I expected. So... we're gonna start... we're gonna add a default state. I think. So, if the default state happens, where's the fall? Default. If there is a on ground if not is on floor. Okay, we're going to add a... Here, we'll add a func. We'll name this one default state. We're gonna do this as a bunch of different little if not is on floor, then we will do state equals state dot fall, else equals state dot idle. A new value to a... Okay. Oh, right. We need a current state. Current state equals... Cool. Is this right? Something's broken, and I don't know why. Old var can dash current state. Oh, no, we want to do that. There we go. Okay. Current state, and this is a current state. Alright, we're going to add this, we'll call func, change state. Everything's accessing the global state anyway, so it's fine. There's not like a lot of change state. So what we are doing is a, do we even want a change state? No, we might do a set state. Yeah, let's do a set state. Func set state, we'll do new state, int, because enums are int. That should work. Set state, and we're gonna do state.fall. Set state dot idle. Okay, so we'll have that handle everything. So let's see. Switch statement Godot. We'll just do a match. Okay, we will just match state. Here we'll do match new state. State.default. Pass. Oh yeah, we can just set these all up here. Default, idle. Idle, walk, jump, double jump. I don't know why I didn't just do this from the beginning. It would have made things way easier and way simpler. Fall, hit air. Hit ground, dash, hammer, ground, we might want to just do a different hammer on ground and in air, and then a different one in the dash. It's not gonna be super necessary. Realistically, very little. Maybe like 5%. Unfortunately. I'm gonna do hammer air and hammer dash. Yeah. Yeah, basically. And then we do hammer, so instead we're gonna add hammer ground, hammer ground, hammer air, hammer dash. Is those the three? Yes. Okay. And then we just need plop and ladder. State plop, pass, and then state.hammer. Alright, this does all of our, this sets the state. And then we can add the, we could... Yeah, this just lets us do all the different, Alright, we'll figure out from here. I could do separate functions for each. Yeah, I might do separate functions for different states. Alright, let us create a... it was a game. Let's see how broken this is. Okay, well, we're spawning. And it's not throwing errors. So, I mean, it shouldn't just from this, but... var current state should be state default. So let's see, how does... God, this is all awful. Holy shit. If not, is... Let's see. If... So this is gravity stuff. For hammer else, yeah, fuck me. Okay, okay, that's the try jump. Let's add the gravity. Stun is... Match new state. I guess for a bunch of these, we can do, yeah, I guess each of these will have another match code for different transitions from the state. So idle doesn't need anything. If it's set to idle, nothing happens. Nothing happens in default. If, let's see. So if we do idle, what we will do is current state equals idle. Okay, state dot idle. And then let us find the idles. You know what? I'm just going to uncomment all of this so that I can actually see what's going on. Try jump. If current state equals full, LF it feels like a lot of stuff got unindented somehow. I don't know how that happened. I might just copy this and then... Well, never mind. Yeah, a bunch of stuff got unindented. I don't know what happened with that. So let us just start with the... We have the physics process, if... that. I don't care about that. This handles direction and all that. Okay. Try jump, fall time. This is so... why is this all like this? Okay. Alright. Elif. Fall time clock. Delta. That's weird. Okay, if we are on the floor, if current state does not equal floor, then we do... Okay, that's an easy one. Current state default. Where's the physics pass? If is on floor, set state. If we're gonna do let's see. Yeah, we'll do a set state floor. So for floor, what we do is we could do a temporary state floor that we just use for... No, we're gonna add a floor transition, a very specific floor transition state. Does it have a built-in state machine? There's a handwheel. Yeah, there's a bunch. I'm just kind of trying to do it in the way that'll be most intuitive and easy to edit for me. We'll call this floor transition. Basically what this is gonna do is, it'll change to idle or plop. I feel like this should be just handled in the state machine. Oh wait, hold on. There's a... We can add a state ground and just never call it. And just use it for handling transitions. I kind of like that idea. So basically, what this state ground is going to do, is basically, it's going to match current state. If we are right now, we're just going to do fall. If we are falling, what we're going to add is a check fall length. And then we set state to so we'll add a set state plop and a set state idle. These are the two ones that'll happen. State.idle. I'm okay with a bit of nesting because this is all pretty simple, thankfully. So basically, if we're falling, we're going to check the fall length. If the fall length is greater than a certain amount, we do the plop and we play the little plop animation and all of that. Otherwise, we instantly go to idle. So that is good to me. Let's just make sure nothing crashes. Current state. Oh yeah, some of this stuff is we'll need to delete later on. So that seems like it'll work. If it's idle, then we just set the idle and we begin and all the other stuff. So let us look up idle. And we'll just do the animation play idle. Yes, that seems fine. So we'll add that. Anim play idle. This is where we'll add all the animation changes as well. Alright, where's the animator? Anim. Unready. Yeah, we'll grab you guys and put you up here. Okay, these are notes that I made. Alright, I forgot to make a little... Oops. Oh yeah, I'm live tweet. Sorry, is this Twitch or... No, this isn't. Twitter. Oh yeah, I'm live. There we go. Okay, cool. So this all works. That's all the idle animation does, is it just plays idle, I think. State idle, animation idle. Okay. Yeah, that's all it does. Let's look up fall. Alright, we need all this stuff later. If current state jump, or okay, this processes all the fall directions and all of that. It's fine. If current state equals fall, if state. Okay, so that's where we try the jump. Okay. That's fine. We will add falling to the... Here. I just want to get everything two separate little funks, just because they're easier for me to handle. Funk. We'll do fall state. What we will do is if we'll do full time 0. We initialize full time to in right here. And then in full state, we add the full time. Now let's go grab all the full time. Let's go grab all the variables, actually. Funk. Why? I mean, I don't know how else I would say it. Var hammer, var jump buffered. Okay, and then these two are... I don't know what I was doing there. Fancy. Why would... Okay, funds. I do not know. Alright, default. I mean, I guess that could work. Let's see. So right now, all that is gonna do is set fall time, and otherwise that. And then I'm pretty sure we have a splatted somewhere. Where do we set that? If fall time is greater than splat time. Okay. Velocity. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe it lets us slide a little. I think that's what it does. That would make sense. Okay. So we're gonna check for the set state. If fall time is greater than or equal to splat time, plop, else. There we go. Cool. We're gonna have to change plop to splat. What do you mean? That's okay. Here. Now is it good? Okay. We'll call you splat. And you should be splat. Okay. Now. Okay. That works. And then. If we move into the splat, splatted equals true. Okay. If the velocity splat sound stay plap. Holly. Really? Really? Splatted equals true. We don't need that. That's just current state. Equals state dot splat. Oh, well, splat is only going to change... Why did I do it like... This allows you to splat and then keep going and, like, bounce off and splat again, I think. That's fair. Oh, no, that's for all the crawl stuff. I understand. That's why it's 0.4. Because that's for making the crawl slow. I forgot a crawl state. I don't even know if we need the splat sound played anymore. I think we're fine. There we go. That should work. If we splat, we do all the splat things. Now we need a state.crawl. Pass. Cool. Basically, all of this is fine. Yeah, that's all fine. So what that does is it should... Yes. I guess now we just need to make sure that gravity is being added correctly. If fall time is greater than spot time, then particles is true. If is on the floor, else. Okay. If the current state is full. Enum placed all full. This is what we do. Okay. So we're going to add a false state. Velocity is gravity data. Enum full. That's terminal velocity right here. That is much better. So this is our set state, and then I guess we can do a process state. Yeah, we'll do a func process state, which is just a match current state. All this does is it just executes the if the state does something, it just does it. So we're just gonna do state.fall. Fall state. Cool. And if it's state dot default, then we do default state. Like, we could put this in our main physics loop, but I just kind of want to get the little... I just want to grab things out of it. Okay. Cool. Jump buffered. We have a bunch of input shit. I'm going to do all of that. On ready, var hammering. Set state dot floor ground. State dot ground if we're falling, otherwise we pass. That makes sense. Yeah, that just processes all that kind of stuff. Otherwise, then we process state. All right, how does it crash? Oops. We want to add delta and then process state delta. Process state delta. That's fine. let's see. Try dash. Oops, no, we want to get rid of the input as well. This isn't that complicated. I hope. Cool. She's in default. So why is she... Alright, let us figure this out. This is not working. Her current state is supposed to be... Oh, right. Current state is equals full. That's kind of important. We never actually set the state as full. Set state, current state, yes. Alright, well, she thinks she's falling, but she's not. We never actually process the velocity. That would do it. Is gravity times delta. We probably handle down if gravity. Oh, and then we do move and slide. That's why. I was like, what the hell? Why is this not working? That is why. Func phys is process. Move and slide. There we go. It's taking a little bit to render for you guys, but here, I'll move her. I'll move her like way up. There we go. I thought she... Why is she not spawning in the right place anymore? Isn't that the character? Where is the bunny? Where are you? Did I spawn? Oh, I spawned her right there. Alright, we're gonna spawn her over here, and now we'll try it. Yes. There she goes, and then she falls. And then she splats, because of how it works. Alright, that's why we... The splat process, we only want to play once. Well, that's not super important. We'll figure that out later. Here, I'll add a little to-do section. To do. splat dust only once. Cool. Splat particles emitting. True. Okay, what happens if we add a... Maybe if we add at the beginning of the loop... Is this a... What do you mean by a FOD-like? Oh wait, we don't need the emitting false. The jump, the fall particles are still playing. Oh, I do not know. I've never heard of it. Let's see. Where are those particles coming from? Emitting. Jump particles goes. I don't even know why. Oh, I think there's some particles that are just set to emitting right now. That's fine. Oh yeah, it only plays that once, so I don't know what those particles are, honestly. What is playing? Those are the walking particles. Oh, Jump King. We're getting over it. Kind of a little bit, yeah, I think is the goal. Okay, that fixed the particle issue. Alright, well, we are now handling falling. I guess we should also handle... I'm just gonna keep on pressing. I just want to see the little... There we go. It's very fun to watch her splat. Okay, I guess we'll add walking back in. That seems like a good idea. So let's find the crawl. So we're going to do a walk. I guess we'll add a on input. If you start doing that, then we play the crawling animation. If you're moving, you're set to splat. Yeah, that makes sense. So, state splat, if current state does not equal as long as we aren't crawling. We play the splat, and we do all that. Else, okay, that makes sense. Otherwise we can crawl. All we do for crawl is, anim play crawl. And current state equals state dot crawl. Yeah. Let's see what made the crawl. If animation current is plate. Right, so if the velocity is greater than so if we are so we're going to add func crawl. Maybe we have the process state. Maybe that pattern is a bad idea. But basically in the crawl state, velocity.x equals velocity.x times 0.4. Yes. And then if velocity.x equals 0, equals 0.0, then we set state splat. Yes, so func, we'll just do crawl splat state. If velocity.x does not equal 0, then what we do is set state crawl. Okay, let's make sure nothing breaks. Cool. Now where do we set velocity x? That's all x acceleration. That's if direction input get access. Cool. direction is greater than 0, else if... Why do we do a... We will grab all this bullshit and try and figure it out. Well, Maple, then you have a match against Holly. I'd watch you guys, but I don't want to put you guys on stream. Let's see now. So that's our is on floor. If direction. Okay. But also, I'm sorry. Yeah, do you want us to like 6 Cine on Tuna? We could. If you want. Like, I feel like that would be a good, even if a little bit of a cruel punishment. Like, physically? Sure. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember what that's for. Okay. There we go. But she not crawling for some reason. Process state. Oh, that's because we don't have splat state. State.splat. Splat state. Do you need anything? No, you're fine. And then we want the crawl state. Crawl. There we go. This should work, I hope. Yes. Awesome. So slowly getting back all of our old functionality. Very, very slowly. Where is this ghost trail? Dash equals false. False. So if full ghost trail emitting equals true. Cool. Where is that process state? I have set state. Full. Sure. And then the ground state is, there we go. Huh. I don't know why the ghost trail stuff is not setting itself. It's weird. I'll fix that later. But right now what we want to do is splatted equals false. Yes, so let's add that to the jump function. Of our func jump. Okay. Okay. Current state. We set state jump. Actually, the jump function is just set state jump, so that's fine. So what we need to do is just grab the for all this set state, I'll just put this all here. Current dot state equals state dot jump. Cool. Sure, nothing is breaking. Awesome. Now then, where is our try jump? Not hump. Try jump. Try jump. Jump. Not hump. Try jump. If jump buffered, if floor buffered, jump. Can double jump. True. Right, so where is jump buffered set? false get. There we go. Okay. So I guess the is on state var direction. We'll put try jump here. It's not the worst code because we do a bunch of processing of different variables and stuff for that. So I'll do try jump. If jump buffered, if floor buffered, then we can set the state jump. Okay. And then we had a input event. This bullshit. Try gamdev. No. Why are you two like this? What are you two doing? Okay. Anyway. Let's see. If not hit stun. Alright, shift tab. Everything else we can do. Okay. Remaining jump buffer. Where do we check that? Jump buffered. Okay, yep. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. Shit. Well. That's fine. Let's see. Remaining floor buffer remaining. Remaining floor buffer is max floor buffer. There's so much stuff. Okay. If jump buffered, func jump, splatted false, remaining jump buffer equals negative. Did we remember to... Why are you... What are you doing? Why do you jump? There's not a jump buffer. She also never falls. That's, yeah, we should... Okay. fall time. People need her. Well, I need her to stop doing that. Falling, right? Current state fall. If current state equals fall. If current state does not equal jump. Let's see. Launch backwards. No, that's still not what I want. Wait, no. Where is... We have a... jump timer. There we go. Jump timer. Where do you get messed with? Okay. Sure. We're gonna add a bunch of this stuff here. Yeah, I need her back on ground, so... Oh, that's the wrong thing. Whoops, that should be in physics process. All right. There we go. She still never falls. So let's see. Jump max. There should be a check for that somewhere. Equals jump max. That's weird. Is there a gravity function? Add the gravity. Fall. Actually kind of baffled. I'm not sure where we check any of it. It's weird. Jump timer. We do a bunch with these timers that are just silly, I think. So the jump buffer, the floor buffer, max jump timer. Minus delta. -1. So that decrements. Right, jump timer should be set to jump max. If, okay, so then we're checking jump timer compared to 0. If current state equals fall. And okay. So we process the jump. If so we'll add a jump state. Command var jump state. If jump timer is less than equal. Set state dot full. Var if. Alright. No, that's a func. That's why. No, something's still not working right with that. Oh, because we're not processing the jump state yet. That makes sense. State.jump. Jump state. There we go. When she's... Oh, right. When the fall is set to ground, that should make... That should reset the, It should reset something. And we don't have the walk yet, so it's just the idle. That's fine. It's starting to very slowly, actually, resemble what we had before, but now it's actually maintainable. I say introducing... Well, all this buffer stuff is literally only for jumping, thankfully. This is just to make sure coyote time works fine, and making sure you can only do it so many times. Where is floor buffer? Yeah, we have that. If is on ladder, remaining floor buffer equals max floor buffer. So then that should be state ground. Her jumps are a little high. And that's not supposed to happen. Yeah, she does not... That's weird. Alright, well, we will figure that out. In a few. But at least she jumps. We will set jump max to... Where is it? Jump max, like half as much. There we go, that seems much better. Maybe like 0.07? I should probably export that. Also, if it's getting super crunchy for some reason, let me know. I just need to refresh the audio then, because it's using the beta for the audio application. Alright, well, the jump might be timed as like a little bit too... Maybe a little bit too high, I think. Yeah, that's a little too high. But we can get it all tweaked in a little. It's something at least. Here. You go down here. No crunch at the moment. Awesome. The jump stuff, I think I need to raise a little bit. The jump clouds, and then the landing clouds. And I need to adjust the, more of the state shifting, but it's starting. It's just annoying to go through, because it's not like, there's none of the fun of adding new stuff. It is just making it more doable. And I mean, like, it's already a lot of code, but at the very least, I'll be able to find stuff and edit stuff and add more states, and it should just add a lot more gameplay. Like, it should also fix, like, some of the issues I was having with adding more animations and other things. I'm gonna go grab some more tea. I'll go grab some in a sec. Right. Okay, yep. I'm gonna go grab some more tea. All right. Okay. I think we're checking the if on ground. We're gonna do a error state, which just lets us also do the. This is basically just kind of doing one-way connections between different things. Nah. Actually, I think we only need that for ground. see, what we want is else set state no, because we'll do set state error. Which we will do as a error just means that if we are doing something that would walk or idle or one of those, we will start falling. Walk, idle, crawl, splat. Where is that? Okay, yeah, match state. State.error. Match state. This is just one of those transition states. So this is just match current state. Right? Is that the syntax? No. So match current state, and then basically, we will do state.walk, state.crawl, state.idle, and state. What's it called? Splat. And if any of those happens, then we set state to state.fall. There we go. Perfect. Hello, Tia. Yes. Okay, that fixes that. Yeah, just thinking of I got Tia everywhere again. Writing everything as little state transitions makes this a lot easier. I'm sure there's a way I could like add like an actual node state machine thing, but it's pretty easy just writing it out like this. There we go, that T's much better than last time. Alright, let's add the walking. Walking, particles, emitting. And in play one, run. Full time is 0. We already did that. Okay. We're just kind of going for it. It's my VTuber mama and a dear friend of ours and we're just kind of working on like just a big ol' platformer, kind of like a ascending a tower type game. I right now am rewriting everything, because I kind of just did it in like a small little like jam style, to get all the mechanics in. Thank you. Holly Mama did really good work on her. So we're just kind of slowly going through everything. Let's see. So that was if If direction is not 0, where is, okay, oh, so we can do that in the set state walk. And then play run. Walking particles emitting true. Yeah, I think that should work. And basically where we check for the crawl stuff, that's the physics process. If direction. If direction, try jump. Oh, we will do func. We'll process the idle and then func idle state. If velocity x does not equal 0.0, then we do set state else if func state is idle, then so we'll just do this walk state equal to 0, then we set that as idle. That should work. Yes. And then we can put the particles in the walk state, like here, I think. I think those are a single burst, so we do want to do that. Also, yeah, I really need to fix the latency for next stream. Set state. So if that, we'll do, if idle, then we will just set the walking particles to false. Current state equals state dot walk. Let's see how this works. It's not playing the right animation anymore? I don't know why it's not. Did we fuck up the animation somehow? State walk, animation, play. Oh, that's because we aren't processing the state.idle. State.walk, walk, state. There we go. And then we just need to get rid of like the little kicking thing. But this is correct. Now she has the little bouncy. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is just so much easier for me to actually like process. I still need to add all the ladder code and then all the hammer code and add in some new animations. But at the very least, it's starting to work. Slowly starting to work. Yep. Okay. So all that works. I mean, I might as well work on the one little thing that is, why is her... land particle. Why are the walking particles? None of these should be emitting. Yeah, I don't know. Is it B? No, I can't. I don't think I can live inspect. Well... Oh god, I'm gonna have to refactor the mochi probably too. Oh well. Eventually I'll be able to actually add the new features and all the new little animations from Holly, Mama, and then everything will be good. So, there's all the hammering stuff. Stun, there's the jump. If full time. Okay, there's a add the gravity. So we only want the particles emitting. This is hacky. It worked though. Instead of actually adjusting the problem, we just manually, yeah. Well, alright, let's see, where do those go? Oh, we want to just move those up a little bit. Probably to like there. No, we want them a little bit lower. A little bit lower still. A little bit lower, I think. There we go. There we go. Okay, that is cute. Hello, Dandelion. I mean, that's kind of... It's pretty decent. start. I think there's a jump animation in here somewhere. Let's see, anim. Oh yeah, we want to play jump. For the jump. That is easy enough. On the actual, where's the jump stuff? Oh, it is there. Okay, well, never mind. Anim play, full state. I guess we have to do all the ladder stuff. So where is the on ladder? This stuff. I'll try and get this working, I think, and then I don't know if I'll call it for the day. It's been a couple hours. I'm still not feeling well, so... yeah. Okay, does this work without breaking anything? Current state equal... set state... fall. Thank you, Shovek. So where is the one? Yeah, that's fair. If on ladder. Okay. That is silly. So that just ignores everything that we have set up so far. Oh well, that's fine. I can figure this out in a second. If we're on the ladder, y equals I guess we can do var direction vertical input up down. Hopefully I managed to set that as a axis. If I didn't, it's gonna get very funny very fast. If on ladder. Set direction ladder. No, wait. Set state dot ladder. If direction and on ladder. And then we can do that. Oh no, direction vertical. Then can dash, velocity, speed, time, direction, vertical. Jump, stun, false, current state. No. We can grab all that later. Okay. And then we'll set state ladder. Current state equals ladder. Okay, func ladder state. We'll add direction. Can dash. True. Where is that? Where is the... Here we go. Direction vertical. Direction. No, that should be a var. And then default state, process, try jump. Fall on ladder, current state just equals state ladder, that's fine. And then match new state, state dot. State, that's just what, ladder state? We named that ladder state, right? Yeah. We might need an actual ladder animation later, but okay, that works. We now have ladder climbing. There we go. Yeah, things are getting easier and easier to implement, thankfully, so. Yeah. I don't like that little thing, but you just need to move to the side, so it's not that big a deal. some of these despawn, but that's okay. Yeah. Hi, Kusu. It's going pretty well. I'm probably gonna wrap it up just because I'm still feeling pretty sick. So, thank you guys for coming. I'll have schedule sometime tonight. It'll be, I don't know, probably some RuneScape, some shmups, maybe some UFO 50. Maybe some more game dev? I'm not really sure. I'll think about it tonight. Right. Good night. Thank you for... Not good night. It's like 3 p.m. But, thank you for coming.